want to receive another additional 50 hostages beyond tonight on our way to bringing everyone home. And as soon as that framework expires, Israel will continue with full force towards those three objectives: eliminating Hamas, making sure the Gaza Strip can never be a security threat to Israel, and releasing all the hostages. It is, of course, Israel's military pressure that has brought Hamas to bear to agree to release those hostages. We've had it begging for a breather because it's been clobbered over the last month, and that pressure will continue until we get everyone home. And then beyond, to continue to remove Hamas from power.
Meeting. We delivered our message. It's important that we have a ceasefire immediately, that we build on the current truce that is in place. We must ensure more access for humanitarian goods. 170 trucks is not enough. We need to end this conflict now. Thank you.
And I think, one can generally agree that we want a good future for Palestinians. And we want to, the challenge is really how do you, get rid of the ones who are hell-bent on murdering Jewish people, while, minimizing civilian casualties, and then ultimately stopping the sort of propaganda that is convincing people to engage in, murder.